Hi friends, welcome back to the another episode of Mobile Comparison Master. Today in this video let's compare OnePlus Band versus MI Band. Now first let's talk about display. OnePlus Band 1.1 inches Type AMOLED display, resolution 126 into 294 resolution, 2.5D glass, and PPI was not confirmed. MI Band 1.1 inches Type AMOLED display, resolution 126 into 294 gram, 2.5D glass also there, and there is no PP support, or it is not confirmed. I can't say. Now let's talk about dimension. OnePlus Band height 40.4 mm, width 17.6 mm, thickness 11.45 mm, and weight 22.6 gram. MI Band height 46.95 mm, width 18.15 mm, thickness 12.45 mm, weight 20 gram. Now let's talk about battery. OnePlus Band battery 100 mAh battery capacity. It will last for 14 days and charging time 2 hours for full charge. MI Band 125 mAh battery, 14 days battery life, 2 hours for full charge support. Now let's talk about feature. OnePlus Band accelerometry support, heart rate support, SpO2 and gyroscope also there. MI Band accelerometry, gyroscope and heart rate support also there. So features wise, you are getting SpO2 in OnePlus Band. It is really awesome and really good, we can say itself. OnePlus Band is, there are many features like running support, and you are getting fitness support, every band support also there. Now let's talk about operating system. OnePlus Band operating system Android iOS not confirmed, and it has Wear OS property. And brand OnePlus MI Band comes with Android iOS support, proprietary OS, and it has brand Xiaomi. Now let's talk about memory. OnePlus Band no support MI Band 512 KB RAM and 16 MB internal memory. So guys, you are getting memory as 512 KB near 1 GB. You are getting in RAM in MI Band 5. We can say it is really good, really awesome and really healthy guys. So if you are healthy and if you want to be healthy, you can go for OnePlus Band or MI Band. Now finally let's talk about colors and next talk about price. OnePlus Band color grey color and orange color. MI Band black color and orange color. So black color variant, you can see in thumbnail I have maintained there, and you can see about this and this. Now comparing the price, OnePlus Band 2499 rupees, MI Band 2499 rupees. I think hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe our channel and click bell icon and share.